knee. Oliver, sit still, please.
Yes.
Good. Harder. Come on.
Yes.
Harder. Ah, you missed. Kick me. Get your hands up. Hey, put your hands up, boy. There you go. Kick. Hard. Boom. Whoa. That ain't much. Get up. Let's go. Hey, one more time. Kick. Boom. All right. You ready? Let's do this one. Okay. We got this. You ready, big guy? Okay, now listen. Hey, pay attention. Do not kick underneath. You have to kick the middle. You understand that? You have to kick it right here. All right, you ready? Soft. You want to use that foot instead? Put it behind you. Put it behind you. Okay, soft. Now hit it hard. Yeah, go. Yeah, good job, buddy. I like it. What up? All right, go sit down. All right, right here. Put your hands up. We're going to do a palm hill. Are you ready? Open that back. Hit hard. Yeah, go. Yeah! High five, man. Good job. Get back up here. You ain't done yet. Get up here. All right, you ready? We're going to do our front kick. Okay? What leg do you want to kick with? You want to kick with this one? All right, ready? Soft. Soft. Hit hard. Yeah, go. What are you doing? There you go. Good job, man. I like it. Woo! That was a high five right there. All right, are you ready?